Yo guys, what's up? Welcome. Welcome to this new stream. Mr. McC, yeah, what's up? Glad to see you here. Okay, so guys, today we are doing physics stuff. I can show what I did off stream, you see, kind of physics. And so I've got a few things like, okay, this is a bug. Yeah, we'll worry about that later. Yeah. Okay, so guys, today I have no idea how exactly I'm going to do this. But kinda I want, I need to do a lot of googling because I never made a physics engine myself, and yeah, so 2D impulse force. Yo, what's up, Galaxy? Okay, so we could do let's first do a void physics object set linear velocity. We have a physics object pointer object and a vector2 velocity. Okay. So let's implement this. physdef.c hash include physdef.h. Okay, so we check if object.type not equal physics project type kinematic. Return. And here we do object.velocity is equal to velocity. I think that's it. So let's quickly make our guy kinematic. So kinematic and we do physics object set linear velocity. Object is player.physics object and velocity is vector2. Create negative 3.5 and 0. And here it's positive. So let's see. Oh. Oh wait, physics object. Ah no, it's not a pointer here. Winner. I mean Galaxy. Ah. I know why. Because this is like it's updating the physics only if it's dynamic, but if it's kinematic, what is a kinematic rigid body? A kinematic body is like a regular rigid body, but the pose controlled by scripting. Okay, so I think it's just no is it 2D? Yeah, it's 2D. Like, I think we just don't add a velocity over time. Okay, let's do else if scene quotes at I phys object dot type equal physics object type kinematic. If it's kinematic, we'll do that. No, we won't. Or will we? The force by the mouse. No. Because like we don't change the velocity. It's just through scripting, essentially. Okay, so we add to the position the velocity, yeah. And force is equal to 0. I think we don't need to do that, or do we? I don't know. That's bad. Yes. Okay, this is nice. This is exactly what we wanted. Okay, now we could implement. What we could implement is just void quad set linear velocity quad and vector to pog. Yeah, let's go. Velocity. We just do physics object set linear velocity quad dot physics object and velocity. And if velocity dot x is greater than or equal to 0, yeah, we'll do quad movement dot x is equal to velocity dot x is greater than 0. If it is, then let's say -1, then 1, and else -1. And quad movement y is equal to velocity dot y is greater than 0, 1.0 is that. Ah, yeah. So this is that, and I think we didn't even. Yeah. Okay, so quad set linear velocity. And the quad is player. This is that, and did we delete something? I think so, yeah. What? No. Oh my god, like that. Okay, so if velocity.x is greater than 0, then 1 is -1. Ah, yeah. If quad.movement dot x not equals 0, yeah, because if it is 0, we will keep it 0. Let's do a log info or vector to load new line player movement. Oh. What? It's not even getting the event. If velocity.x, obviously. Okay. Scene. We check the movement. This should work. Okay, let's try to lock the movement here. It is obviously working. We just dispatched a movie event. Data is void pointer code. Yeah. But like, I mean, if we call what does even a quad move even check? Ah, no, if the movement is not the same. Yeah. And it definitely isn't. Ceylon Game Center, what's up? What is different from that? Nothing. Maybe the position needs to change. But it is changing. Yeah, whatever. Could we just do that? But we could do the physics before all of the other stuff, and maybe then it works. Yeah. But like, no, technically we needed to make that before that. So here. Delete that. Now it should maybe work. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Yes! Let's go, but something happened. Okay, this is nice. Okay, wait. Yeah, like sometimes it doesn't gracefully exit. Do we allocate any memory leaks? Like the thing is, I want to check my frame count, like the data time, if nothing is being weird. Like if nothing is not performing well. So I want that everything performs good, obviously. But the thing is, if I log it, I don't know if that makes a huge performance impact, because it did, but I think I did it in the for loop, and that's why it did. Yeah, okay, it's absolutely good performance, 145 FPS. There are no performance drops, which is very good. Yeah, nice. Okay, so now I want to make impulses, but I have no idea how to make impulse 2D physics. impulse resolution. Resolve collision. How to create impulse physics. So I think how long will it take to finish this? You mean the whole engine? Probably a long time, because I'm doing everything from scratch, as I said. So like the basic structure, like this build, the math library, the windowing, the input, the renderer, and all of the systems took a long time, like 2 months. And I could do the same thing with a lot of libraries in C++, modern C++ in maybe 2 days, maybe 1 day even. Impulse calculator. Force 3 times 4. So an impulse is like what even is an impulse? It's like a whoa, and then it goes like could we not just do void physics object? Wait, can we do box 2D? Maybe I can. Publications. Box 2D GitHub. Then I think include box 2D. Oh no. I think it's source. Let me go into a project where I can easily find this, because I have box2d set up. And Visual Studio takes a long time, so add linear impulse physics object and vector to impulse. And I think a linear impulse can only happen I don't know. I think if it's static it wouldn't happen. So if object.type equal physics object type static, done. So I have no idea what the function signature or function name is, but Visual Studio, come on, load. D2. Bro, come on. box 2D. Oh no, we didn't. Didn't even include it in here. B2. Set impulse. Box to the impulse. Create body. Ah. Okay, so we have. Oh my god, dude. Oh my. That's why I don't use Visual Studio. Make Galaxy PR mod. Yeah, okay. Let's go. If you subbed to the channel, then obviously. I hope you did. Add moderator. Okay, nice. You are now moderator. Okay, so body set linear set impulse. Think add impulse set linear. Oh. No. Impulse. Apply linear impulse. The inverse mass. Okay. So if it's not dynamic, we return whatever you say. Okay, so just that. So this is object.velocity plus equals I think mass object.mass. What? Vector to add v. Velocity. So to the velocity, make Flappy Bird. Yeah, actually I could do that in this engine. I think it would be a good test thing. But yeah, I'm making my own game in this engine, and maybe I could. I mean, you could download the engine from GitHub and try to make it yourself. Yeah. Object mass yeah. Okay, so now let's set it I think where's that shit? Here. So if it is equal to static, let's say that. Bro, I rickrolled me. You rickrolled yourself. Why? Dynamic. Yeah. We're gonna give you up. Now we're gonna let you down. Now we're gonna ride around and desert you. Vector 2 scalar multiplication. Yeah, it was kind of obvious that it won't work. Like this won't work. Where is it? I know why it doesn't work. You still do that. The if not quad colliding is just that. Yeah. Nightmare, what's up? What's up? Glad to see you here. Okay, now it technically should work, but it doesn't. Like always. If it's This is happening, isn't it? A simple lock will handle everything. It is. Make me mod. Yeah. Like, I think we have enough mods. I think it doesn't make sense. And you're not like that often on the stream. To the position. We'll add that shit. The velocity, yeah. That kinda doesn't make sense. Huh. So like, is even nothing is happening. Is this even happening? I think it's because, like, it's dynamic. It is. So now, what happens if we put it kinematic? If it works, then I have no idea why. Like, seriously. Okay. So this is like the exact same thing, isn't it? Yes. Okay, if it's not colliding, we do that. And also, if it is colliding with something, we just do that. You have to sleep. Like, where do you live in Philippines? Philippines. Oh yeah, true. Okay, so good night. Because for me it's like 2 o'clock in the like in daytime. Okay, let's try setting a dynamic. So still doesn't work. Okay. Bye, Mr. Maxi. Glad that you were here. Nice. Like, is the velocity changing? Log newline object at velocity. Is that changing, huh? It's absolutely not changing. Is it changing if I put it after that? Okay, so all of the log info stuff. Log info. I don't need it. Velocity is equal to vector 2 create. Where do we set it to 0, 0? In here. Aha. Okay, I got the freaking problem. So the problem is okay, so I think the best solution will be to send an event. Event system quad collided event and in scene okay, I think we need a variable 8 here. Yeah, moved and colliding. Okay, I read that colliding is equal to false. And in render we do red dot or quad dot colliding is equal to false, and we do quad 1 dot colliding is equal to true, quad 2 dot colliding is equal to true as well. And yeah, and then in scene we have a bool 8 temp colliding is equal to scene quad ZI dot colliding What the fuck? 31 watchers? Someone is definitely botting me, I guess. What the frickin' heck? How? How? So if temp colliding is equal to false and temp colliding is not equal, scene quads at I dot colliding. So it changed from false, if it changed from false to true. If it changed from false to true, we dispatch an event quad collided event scene quads at I. And also in renderer 2D we do listen or register event 38 watchers. What the fuck? What moved event? English. Wait, so where's Philippine? Filipino. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Callback. Okay, we need to make that. Static void. Quad collided. Callback. Yeah, come, let's leave that, because if it's moved and collided with another thing, no. Colliding, no. We also don't do that. like if it hit the ground. Like how do we check if it hit the ground? If the movement the Y movement is -1. The Y movement is -1 and it collided with something. Yeah. Okay, so let's get everything again. Okay, here and then event system. We get that and then scene. We get that and then where we set the velocity. Let's just do vector to velocity. And then we do that. What? Okay, so we do quad add velocity, quad vector velocity, and then in scene just copy that, paste it, and here it's just quad physics object velocity plus equals velocity dot x and velocity dot y. And then scene we just do quad add linear velocity. What? Quad add linear velocity. linear velocity. Quad add velocity just. Okay, and we do if yeah, do that. What the fucking heck? 80, like 50, what? Why is YouTube being so weird? Like, why? Just why? Add velocity. Temp colliding. And yeah, okay, we do that. But where's the renderer? The renderer. Where is it? See, okay, we don't do anything here and here in here. But yeah, okay, let's do something in the renderer. So let's get that again. A quad q, and if q.movement.y is equal to -1, we do q dot physics object dot velocity is equal to vector 2 create 0 0 and force is also 0 0. Yeah. And what we'll also do is if velocity.x not equal 0, x is not equal to 0, so log info is colliding with something. Q dot tag, and probably we should what? Moved event, okay, and quad collided callback, and the name is quad collided cv. Okay, I think we need the quad. Scene quads at I. I need to take in a white pointer. White pointer Q and then quad. Quad is equal to quad Q. Data, and this is this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, that. And scene 100. And scene. Let me quickly, please. I need to. Oh, I need to do that. Vector to scalar multiplication. Wait, what? What was here? That, and then we go back in time again. Oh, we can't go back again. Oh. Why? Add velocity. That. Oh wow, it even was here. Is that C# or C++? This is C, pure C. Without any like libraries. I'm making a physics engine, like a physics library. No, because like the challenge is to make everything on my own. It's kind of hard. So yeah. Scalar. I think the best thing is to just take it in as X and Y. How much experience do you have? I have like the thing is I'm 14, and I code in like I started coding like 5 years ago, I guess, and in C++ I coded since 2020 or 2019. No, I think 2020. And before that I coded in Java and then in Python. I know C#, I know C++ and C. So I have 5 years experience. Yes sir, I was trying to learn C#, but I'm very interested looking at your live stream. Can give me more inspiration. Yo, thank you. Thank you for the nice words. I'm very much appreciating that. Thank you very much. So we say float x and float y velocity. Because like I tried making it a vector and passing the velocity in as a vector and like treating it as a normal vector, and that kind of didn't work. I don't know. Hey yo, what's up? What's up, bro? Harshadik K. Yes, sir. Keep it up. Keep it up. Thank you very much. Thank you for the nice words. Do you say velocity? Okay, now we just say x velocity. I want to create a game engine as well. I have experience in Python, C++, and Java. I've been coding for around 2 years and I have the ability to learn very quickly. Okay, sounds very nice. So in what language do you want to write your game engine in? Probably in C++, I guess. Like if you have... Oh, and by the way, I think the code is too small. Yeah. If you have no experience in like making a game engine at all and don't really know where to start, I think the game engine series from the channel or the one from I don't know what his name is, but the Kohi game engine series, where I can show it. Kohi game engine. Like, this is a very good series in which you make a game engine from scratch in C. I can show what it will look like in the end. Like, yeah, you have a full 3D game engine, all made in C. Okay, so if you want to make C++, then I would suggest the Hazel game engine. This is the series from the channel. So this is a 123 series, episode series. It's a 2D game engine with like scripting and stuff, and it's very good. So yeah. Wow, thanks. I take that. I'm going to keep learning. That's really fun to learn, to be honest. Yeah, you know, I think it's a very nice. It's a very nice and a very fun like niche in computer science, like making game engines. I think it's pretty nice. Yeah. So here, if y is not equal to 0, here if x is not equal to 0. Okay, so now I think we could start the thing. Oh no, I think we can't. Because we get compiler errors. Yeah. Like always. Okay, so add velocity. So we need that, and this is just y, and then we need the quad to which we needed to add the velocity. So scene quads at I as the quad, and now to few arguments and quad.c in 149. What? Quad. No, scene.c. Was it quad in 172? Yeah, okay, this is obviously x velocity and this is y velocity. So now please work, please. God of C. Oh god, fuck. Okay, so C in 150. Okay, we don't need that. So now it will probably compile, but I'm probably like it's very likely that it won't work. What were we even trying to do at this point? I don't know anymore. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh. It printed it out, but subscribing so I can learn for you. Oh, thank you very much. Like oh my god, 147 subscribers. Like maybe in this stream we could get the 150. Actually, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hello, brother. Can you bring a series on C++ programming, please? Yeah. So I definitely want to make more videos because like I have pretty much a lot of time like now, and I will probably do something in that regard. Maybe I will do a devlog on this series, like a compilation of all the streams and stuff, and I definitely want to make a like C++ series as well. I've already subscribed on this channel. Yo, thank you very much. MMK Metaverse. Thanks a lot. Maybe we could get the 150 today. Like, I mean, before the stream started, I had like I think it was 134, maybe. Like, look at it, look at the subs going up and up. I love it. Okay, so let's have let's make it a bit better. We just not do that. We do q.color is equal to RGBA color. RGBA color 255 0 0 255. Maybe a series on C as well. Like, yeah. I mean, it's not even that hard to make something like that. So yeah, probably going to do that. RGBA color expands to that. This needs a comma, doesn't it? Wait, this needs a comma. I think. Yes, let's go. Okay, so it's red all the time, which is like not the thing I wanted. Peace be upon you. I am from Saudi Arabia. Is there teaching C++? Please reply via Google Translate so that I can understand what you are saying. Is there teaching C++? Like, do you mean if I do? Okay, let's do that. So, from where's English? From English to it keeps failing, yeah. But I will get there eventually. Like in the stream, obviously. Where's Saudi Arabian? I think it's that. Okay, so I will do C++ tutorials in the future. Probably. How do you write probably? Probably. Oh. Yeah, that. What? Why is that? Oh my. How do I. God. Yeah, I think you understood it. Okay, nice. Yeah. So if temp colliding is false and temp colliding is not equal this colliding thing, we dispatch an event. Okay. If temp colliding, let's just say that. Yeah, I think you as well. They like it looks very good, but I can't read it as well. Okay, what is going on now? What did I change? Tell me, what did I change? Like, you can't say only because of that. The whole scene is just empty. Thank you, and I want to join you in a lesson C++, and thank you, sir. Oh, nice. Like, I think, like, it sounds like C++ tutorials are, questioned a lot, which is very nice. So yeah, I'm probably going to do them. Bruh, the display of the game just disappeared. What is happening? Yeah, don't ask me. It's C. I hate it. But I also don't get. Okay, let's log in for our vector to log new line Q movement. So let's log the movement. If what do you mean by no dependencies? So by no dependencies I mean no GLM or CGLM, so no math library, no GLFW, no glue, no SDL, no nothing. Everything without includes. The only library which I'm using is STB image, because like image loading is such a big and okay, I mean it's not too big because like that's the challenge, but I mean it wouldn't make sense to make my own image loading library. But aside of that, everything is written by myself, like the physics engine, the math library, the inputs, the windowing, everything. So that's what I mean by no dependencies. Yeah. Okay, so now the movement is negative on an X. Why an X? Why is it negative on an X? Did I do something wrong? Yeah, I did. Okay. That was a bug. But still now I think what will happen is the quad will just not move at all. It is moving. What the fuck? I'm very weirded away. Like, I hope I didn't break anything, because Quad 1 C and C++ tutorials with real life GUI project really interest us, and since you're making a game engine, we have great hopes on tutorial from you. Yeah, that's that. I think I hear that. That's like very nice. So I think I'm going to do that. If it's questioned that much, okay, why not? Oh my god, guys, we got the 150 subscribers. The 150. The 150. Look at that. What a great number. And what a weird profile picture. I think I have to... Okay, so... that worked. Oh, it's so juicy. It's so juicy that it, like, falls and bomb. So that... this... like, worked, yeah. Yeah. But... yes, sir. Yeah, let's go. Okay, nice, nice, very nice. So that was a lot of struggle. But I want to set it only if... oh my... no, no. No. Like, look... oh my god. What? You're just kidding me. No. Like, look, I need what I wanted to do is just if it hit the ground, if it hit it, then I want to make the velocity and the force to 0. But I don't want to make it 0 every time it is on the ground. Like, just in the moment it hit the ground, and then I don't want it to make it 0 anymore. And I thought, like, event system and stuff, and like in events to check if it hit the ground. But it's so simple. I can just check if it's not already 0. We set it to 0. Like, you are kidding me right now. You are kidding me right now. Oh my god. Quad collided event. You don't need it. Like, we could like need it in the future, but yeah, can do it in a better way in the future. Very well, thank you for the explanation. Do you make use of any parallel computing library? Parallel computing? Do you mean thread library? If you mean that, then I don't. Like, I tried out something with threading. Like, I tried out threading, but like with pthread, like pthread Win32. But I was like, in the first place I was not feeling it because like it's a dependency, and in the second place it didn't even work. It was like very slow because like I hate threading in C so much. Like, if someone has a can explain to me threading in C, or like a way to just, because like look at it, I have in scene render. I just want to do this rendering, this, just a single for loop on another thread. I want to render on another thread. And if I render on another thread, like if I do that, then I get like my FPS drop to 2 or to 10. Like, I don't get it. Why? Like, is it because I'm sharing data between threads? I think it is because of that. But maybe someone can explain it. I mean, there's nothing on the internet. So I know I don't use threading library. Yes, like OpenGL. Do you have a Telegram account to communicate? No, I don't. Like, the only thing I have is Discord, like, which is public. You can get my Discord. It's CocoCry hash 3008. So 3008. Yeah. Okay. So now I kind of want to clean up all the shitty stuff I made. Like colliding, we don't need that. Colliding. Oh, someone instantly sent me a what's up? Yeah, maybe I will do a Discord server in the future. So colliding. Colliding is false, we don't need that anymore. And I hope that was it. Temp colliding, we don't need it. You send me wave, nice. We don't need that. Okay, so now we just do. Now let's try if it even compiles. Okay. That was. Okay. It's me, MK. Okay, you MMK Metaverse. I keep support on your channel because I learn a lot of things. Thank you, bro. Thanks. Nice to meet you. Okay. Okay, that worked. Nice. But now let's do if quad1.physicsObject.force is not equal to that. Oh no! Fuck! Oh fuck! Oh freaking heck! I'm sorry, but I'm sorry for the words, but why? Could we just set the force to 0? But look at it. I mean, if we're moving it, obviously the velocity also increases. You know? Nice to meet you. We'll keep it up. We'll keep it up on your project. Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. Can we just do if quad1 dot movement dot y is equal to 1 negative 1 the movement is equal to negative 1, then we do quad1 dot physics object dot velocity is equal to vector 2 create 0 0. So if it falls, like if the object was falling, and if quad2 dot movement is equal to negative 0, we do the same thing with quad2. Sounds pretty good. Oh my god, dude. Can we? The animation is bugged. But it worked. Let's go. Okay, let's do add velocity x. And the y movement is just 0. And velocity. Hey, it's me, Midrul from your YouTube chat. Ah, nice. Midrul VK. Ah, nice. 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 Okay, so what? This is x velocity. No, wait. This is just x. And this is just y. So y velocity, this is x and stuff. And let me do that. Get that. Quad dot movement dot x is equal to 0. And this is that. And velocity dot y plus equal y velocity dot y. And yeah, now we need to add velocity x. X is the x thing. And quad add velocity y. This is the y. Nice. Oh no, I think in game. That's the linear velocity, okay. What? I think. But why set linear velocity? Ah. If it's greater than 0, then 1, and n is negative 1. Ah yeah, we got the vector thing. Quad dot movement. Like how many times did we log the movement? A lot of times. So something is wrong generally. Movement is 0 and then negative 1 and 1. Oh my god. Movement dot x is equal to 0. Only here. Okay, let's separate. So set linear velocity x and set linear velocity y and float x, float y. X floats x set linear velocity vector to create x and quad dot physics object dot velocity dot y. Quad dot movement dot y is equal to 0. Copy that. Y and this is x. This is y. Quad dot movement dot y is equal to velocity dot y. Quad dot movement dot x is equal to 0. Yeah. X is that and y is that. Okay, so undeclared identifier and stuff. 127. What? Quad dot physics object dot I don't know. Okay, so movement dot x is 0. Okay, I get it. Like, this shouldn't be here. This a float. At rendering quad, you said float y, but it was vector 2y. Wait. $72. Do you mean 172? Yeah, I think you meant that I have like vector 2 and float that was conflicting. I think you meant that. What? Oh my god, like I did not want that, and the stack drawback is we ignore that. But we want set x. You corrected it, yeah. Thank you very much. Oh my god, I think we are freaking. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, this is if it's static. Okay, so we want. So guys. Now the question is. Yeah. Okay. So what we're going to do is set add velocity, set linear velocity x to that. So the linear velocity is just that, yeah. And set velocity, wait, and this is 3.5 and this is also 3.5. But faster than the camera. And also, obviously, if we idle, we set the velocity to 0. Okay, I think only the X, obviously. How do you keep track of all of this? Yeah, it's a bit harsh, a bit harsh, obviously. But okay, what is that? Yeah, it's hard as you can see, but I kind of do, like, I don't have a real plan how I do this, a real thing. Okay, so yeah, like, we don't care about this one bug, as you can see in the end. But like, the first thing is, we can't stop our player. And then I thought we could just set the X velocity to 0. Can we do that? Can't. And for some reason the animation isn't even playing anymore. Because of, I don't know what. Maybe if X equals 0, not equals 0. And if Y equals 0, oh my god. Okay. Okay, but if can we do if platform is key released key A, we set the velocity to 0. Like, I mean, oh, what for? Not numpad, key D. Like, I mean, our physics stuff is working, but now I have no idea how to implement that because I'm just lost. Oh my god. It's actually working. Oh my god. What info? What? I mean, oh, vector to log in. That. Oh. Okay. So I'm kind of overwhelmed, like, it fucking worked. Like, today I stood up in the morning and I thought, I make physics engine, and I did it. But as you can see, the player is moving faster than the camera, which we will eventually fix. But how is the question? Let's just say 4.5. Like, eventually we will make a whole another system for the camera. This is just a, like a, you know, a testing state. 5.5, yeah, I don't know. Just wanted to make. I want to make it like. It doesn't need to be accurate, but like. No, it's too fast. Couldn't we just do camera dot position is equal to player camera dot player dot position dot x. Like the x position is that plus gstate app window props width divided by 2, because then it's in the center, and y is height divided by 2. I have absolutely no idea if that would work, but maybe it would. And it wouldn't. Maybe minus. Player position y on second line. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, you are my saver. You. Oh my god, thank you. Thank you. This is very good. Thank you very much. Okay, like it doesn't work because like I have no idea what I'm doing. But I will obviously make a better system for the camera. No. No, you are kidding me right now. It actually worked. What the fuck? What? Oh. Oh. Maybe we need to just do the starting position, the starting size. Because with the starting size it worked. Because we are also not changing the orthographic projection matrix. Maybe it's because of that. Please be because of that. It is. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, dude. Oopsies. What was that? Okay, so if you're pressing a key and then doing that, okay, it works. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it was. I don't know. But this is very good, very nice. Okay, so we have a few like potential bugs that are happening if you're doing weird things, but aside from that, everything is working. Okay, so now what we want to do, like 50% of the stuff that the physics engine is doing in a 2D platformer game. If platform is key down, key space. No, if platform key went down. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. Then we set the linear velocity y to 3.5. So no, the moment of truth. And by the way, we can obviously infinite jump. And is the music too loud? I don't know. I think it is, because for me it's too loud. Now the question is, okay, it's here. Okay, so we could freaking jump. Oops. What? Weird stuff happens because I'm loading. What? Okay, so it's very good, but it's also not. I think I know why it is. Like, maybe I know it. Like, maybe I also don't know it. But the hitbox of the player is weird. Like, look at it. It's at... That's not even the hitbox. It's at just 20 pixels in X. Let's make it 100 pixels. Then it maybe it may work. But it's like a 20% chance it will work and an 80% chance that the stream will take like 2 more hours and then. Okay, so why isn't it working? Isn't it working? Going through the ground was cool. Yeah, that's kind of cool, but I mean, it's a bug. So we need to fix that bug because we are the developer and we don't want the player to feel something cool. So, where is collision? We add a quarter, like this is very weird. I don't even know why we have that, but we kind of have it. And if we didn't do that, then look at what would happen. What? No, we don't need a plus. I can type. Oh my god, like in my old tab, the follower count of my channel was still 142 and now it's 153 and that's very nice. Okay, so this would happen if we just did that. So we somehow kind of need to do that. I think because like look at this. It's not counting X collisions. Something with X collisions is wrong. Let's make a in the tile map, let's make a tile map commit to render contiguous map. Okay. No, we just want to render another tile. So commit No, just add tile. Map, tile, render, create a brick tile, add position vector to create 5, I have no idea, or maybe 5 to 11. I hope this function even works, I never tested it. I think the tile was there, but it's... I don't know where it is. Let's make... I don't know. Like the map is from 0, 0 to... Not from 0, 0 to 30. So let's make 11. And negative 5. Because it's like flipped, I guess. Maybe it is flipped, I don't know. Maybe it's also not flipped. Is that even working is the question. Okay, then let's just make a quad. Quads, do we have a texture? Okay, then we just don't have a texture. Quad q is equal to quad create test vector to create state.player dot quad instance dot position dot x plus 100 and state.player dot quad instance dot position dot y and scale is vector to create 100 100. Hitbox is vector to create 100 100. Rotation is 0. Render level 2. Color vector to create 0 to create 1. Subtexture is null pointer and render to the add quad q. Nice. Vector 4. Okay, okay. 17 likes on the stream. Is that actually 17? Because on my PC it's showing it wrong. 16. Yeah, okay, that's very nice. Thank you very much. Okay, if I collide with the... Okay, so maybe and Y position is like minus 100. I don't know, see, but it's cool watching you make the game. Yo, yeah, that's... I don't know, I mean, I'm just having bugs all the time. Okay, so X collision is absolutely not working. It's just full on not working. Y collision kind of is. Kinda. What we could do, just for a second, is in quads we just do so if quad 1 if quad 2 if quad 1 dot associated tile map multiplied null pointer and quad 2 dot associated tile map or quad 2 dot associated tile map not equal null pointer. So if it's a tile, we do that, and else we do the exact same thing, kind of, but just without that. Okay. Okay. So rule 8 collision x collision y. Nice. Yes, perfect. So now the only thing is... wait! We are just... we're just doing it if... okay, if movement dot x we are just doing that. Wait. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's so bad. Because we only stop the thing from falling if it's falling down somewhere. Oh. 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 big O. We can't just do that, because if we did, nothing would work. Nothing would nothing would move. Oh. Only move object if it is not colliding with something. Yeah. If an X collision occurred, we set velocity dot x to 0, and as if collision Y, velocity dot y is equal to 0. Could we do that? Maybe. Kind of no. And if that isn't else, then nothing would work. Nothing would. But why? No, here Y collision is working. It's not. So Y collision is just in general not working, and X is also not working. If it's colliding on the X, if we do and collision Y, then velocity is equal to vector 2 create 0. Only quad 2. Quad 2 and quad 1. Okay, but now probably nothing will move, because this is exactly the same effect of when we just say if it collides, don't move anything. Exactly. If we have an else if, I think that would not make any difference at all. Probably. we say force is equal to 0. But why did everything just despawn? If we say just if collision y, maybe removing the else when using force. Okay, I'll try that in a second. Okay, just the y will not work as well. Okay. Ah, that would be the x, right? So no, just the x. No, okay, that doesn't make any sense. But let's make this. Like, wait. If that, I mean, it won't work. Like, okay, it makes. What? The actual flip. What the fuck was that? Okay, whatever. Maybe removing the as with force. So force x if collision y force y. It's not working. That's like we probably need to make something C++. Not move player when force was working for x direction. No, or was it? No, it wasn't. When do not move player when it is colliding with something. When else was used, okay. Let's try that. I still know. I think what we need is a collision solver, which is just a thing where you say it's just a yeah, I think we just do velocity and cod2 dot physics object dot velocity dot x not equal 0. And yeah, okay, we do if that is not equal to 0 and if that is not equal to 0, velocity dot y is not equal to 0, velocity dot y, and this is 1. Wouldn't that work? Yeah, kind of not. What we could do is a const char pointer, or a quad pointer, quad colliding with, and red dot quad colliding with is equal to null pointer. And where is that? Here. So quad dot or quad 1 dot quad colliding with is quad 2, quad 2 dot quad colliding with is quad 1. If collision X and collision Y. And if quad pointer temp 1 is equal to quad 1 dot quad colliding with temp 2 is quad 2, and if that, if quad 1 dot quad colliding with, if renderer, because we can get the index renderer to the, which we don't have included, X collision and Y collision may or may not happen together, so shouldn't it be better? Yeah, true. True. I'm going to do that. But first I need to include renderer to D. We could do an OR, because like this should happen for both. Or let's do a just for the X. Renderer to the get quad index of that is equal to the index of, because the index is like a thing with that. You can compare like a unique thing for each quad. So we can compare quads with that. So if that is equal to temp 1, so if it's not equal, Then we say quad1 dot physics object dot velocity is equal to dot x is equal to vector to create is just equal to 0. And and then okay, we can do an if quad2 is not equal to temp2. So if the collision changed, quad2 dot velocity. And now if collision y, if we're colliding with y, we do y and y. Wait, and this should be malloc size of quad. $166. What? No. This should be like that. Okay, jumping. Okay, this is the X. No, it's not. Oh, fuck. And as if no collision happened, collision happened, we want to make it to null pointer, but we can't. Not collision x and not collision y. Wait, I think we need two even. X quad colliding with y. X and y. Y. Wait, what? Oh, I think that's not. So quad colliding with y. And it's not equal null pointer. Maybe it's not working for the just a variable block. Okay, true. Why is the gravity so slow? That doesn't make sense at all. Maybe we should set the position. I think that doesn't make sense. What was that? But if it's colliding with nothing, if that's not the same, let's do log info colliding with temp1.tag or temp2. Or we just do that. temp1.tag. Test colliding with player. Stir then what? Stir len? What the fuck? Let's just do that. Time up tag colliding with player. Why this weird shit again? Oh wait. Because of that. Test and tilemap tile. What? Wait, X, Y. So apparently okay, now it's on X and Y. X is weird. Very weird. Why am I colliding with the tilemap tile? Like, what the actual fuck? Almost error. What the fuck? Yeah, wow. If it's colliding. If quad 1, if an X collision, Y collision happened, you just say quad 1 dot physics object dot velocity is equal to dot y to 0 and quad 2. And wait, what was this like? Yeah. And quads2 dot movement dot y is equal to that. Wasn't that what we had? Ah, yeah. Thank you. You're always saving me. I love that. Okay, but I think it's let's just do it if a y collision is there. But why is that? What the fuck is that? Why is that so slow? Yes. Thank you. But the X is not working. So now how do we get the X working? X. Your time zone, it's this time. 17, 16. So 5. By the way, where are you from, brother? I'm from Germany. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm a bit lost. I don't know. I think my head is just overworked. Well, it was a nice making. It was nice making a friend and seeing you make the game, reading and replying all messages. Thank you very much. Now I have to leave. It's getting late night here. We'll join you soon. Thank you for the nice words. I'm really appreciating that. So yeah, thank you for being here, and I hope you see you in another stream somewhere. So very nice. Yeah. I think I can't do that. Yeah, I can't. Obviously not. Good night. Good night, bro. Glad you were here. Yeah. Well, I'm from India. Oh, nice. Didn't know that. Thought you're from the United States or something. India time. No. Oh, okay. So this is math. Like 5 hours, I guess. No, 4 hours and 30 minutes. No, 5. Okay, nice. For me it's bedtime now. Nice. Hope you have a well sleep. If quad 1 that movement x not equal 0. Is that a buy emoji? I think it is. I don't really see it. And quad at 1 dot movement. But y is not equal 0. Quad 2. I have no idea, but maybe this will work. No, but that doesn't make sense, kinda. What the? So it made more sense if it is equal to 0. But the movement has nothing to do with that, kinda. Okay. So if quad2 dot movement dot x is equal to -1, can't we just do that? Please. If this thing is falling, I don't know. If collision y. Why is that so weird sometimes? Why? No, you can't. You are actually kidding me. It won't work with that. Why? What the fuck? And collision X would make what would make absolutely no sense. I mean, it's one condition less. That means what the fuck? An OR statement maybe. We do collision Y, but don't do that. Maybe. Oh. I really don't get why. Like, what the fuck? Why is it just being weird? Like, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, okay. So guys, I think we will end this engine, this physics engine, in the next episode, because yeah, my brain can't comprehend this anymore. So yeah, guys, thank you for the stream. Very nice, like a lot of watchers and stuff. Thank you very much. And yeah, we'll see us in the next stream. So bye guys, peace out.